Hello again, campers! I hope you had fun today and learned new words. Mwen espwe ou te pran plezi jodia et te apprend quelques mots nouveaux. What did you learn today? Ki sa ou te apprend jodia? Every day, before we go, chaque jour, avant nous aller, we ask the question, nous mande question, what did you learn today? What did you learn today? Ki sa ou te apprend jodia? We need 5 campers to raise their hands. Nou bezwen 5 participants pour lever main yo. And tell us, what did you learn today? Et dis-nous, ki sa ou te apprend jodia? In English, en anglais. Let's review again. Anoué passe encore. I will say a word in English. Raise your hand if you can say the word in Creole or Spanish. Anoué passe. Mwen pou di yon mot en anglais. Yon mot nou te apprend matin. Raise your hand. Leve main. Si ou kapab di moa en Creole ou bien Espagnol. Ready? Nou pwe? Change my stars. Change my stars. What does that mean? Ki sa vle di? Good morning. Good morning. What does that mean? Raise your hand. Good morning. Hello. Hello. What does that mean? Early in the morning. Early in the morning. What does that mean? Ki sa vle di? Raise your hand. Leve main si ou konen. Counselor. Counselor. Camper. Camper. What's your name? What's your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What does that mean? Ki sa vle di? Raise your hand. Leve main si ou konen. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. 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 What does that mean? Food we eat. Food we eat. Camp prayer. Camp prayer. Thanks. Thanks. Se men bagay ak thank you. You tou vle di? What? What does that mean? Raise your hand if you know. Leve main si ou konen. listen, listen. Respect, respect. Camp rules, camp rules. What does that mean? Camp rules. Raise your hand. Levez main se vous connaissez réponse là. Speak English. Speak English. Come every day. Come every day. Birds that sing. Birds that sing. What does that mean? Everything. Everything. Good job today, campers. Bon travail aujourd'hui, participants. Every day when we go, we say, chaque jour, le nous aller, nous dit, see you tomorrow. Nawe demain. See you tomorrow, God willing. Nawe demain, si bon Dieu vle.
Goodbye, 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 friends. Goodbye, 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 friends. It's time to say goodbye. But first, walk, walk, walk. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Stop. Hop, hop, hop. Swim, swim, swim. Dance, dance, dance.